It's actually a pretty interesting corner right here. And now that I see this Five Guys, it's gonna be our new video. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is Johnson Road, and that's Leeward Street. So take a look at this. This is Five Guys, which is a very famous burger place in the United States. It looks like now they have it in Hong Kong. So we just kind of go around the sides so you can see it. Basically, you can get your burger the way that you want it, and you can sit in these pretty cool places. So I am going to go get a burger. Five Guys right there. 7 days a week. Okay. Looks like you have to order all the way over here. And over here is Five Guys. Okay, so it's Five Guys right there, and I'm just gonna go through it one more time. It's pretty amazing to have this. These are kind of known as one of the best burgers in the United States. Five Guys and there's another one too. But anyways, this is kind of more the East Coast one, and the other is the West Coast one. Great, both are great. So one of the things that's interesting about this is there's already kind of a long line in there already, but then you also have this right here. So this is an additional line that goes outside that people have to stand in line to get in here. And then once you go in, you can see it kind of snakes back. Peanut oil. So that's Five Guys. Yeah, there it is.